I am trying to get rid of Chinese privet 4 feet away from a 25-year-old oak tree. How do I use glyphosate but not harm the tree? I have 53.9% glyphosate. I would appreciate any advice you can give me. Thank you, and this is Terry. All right. So Joellen here, 53.9% glyphosate is, anything over 41% is good.
Yeah, it's gonna affect those privets.
Oh, it's definitely going to do that. So it's going to be good. I usually say, a 3 to 5% solution. That's usually about 4 to 6 fluid ounces per gallon of water. But you and I talked about this a little bit. So would you be concerned about using a spray next to the oak tree?
Because you don't know how little wind it will take to have overdrift that would get to his other nice trees.
Right.
I would tend to want to cut, even if it's not all the way down, but at least cut. I know it, because privet could be really tall.
Yes.
I would tend to want to cut it down at some point and just treat the actual stumps that are left, or the little bit of foliage that's left. I definitely would never spray glyphosate above my head.
All right, sure.
Never would do that.
Right.
So, yeah, I would tend to cut them and kind of just very carefully apply the glyphosate to the stems.
Right. And you could do that with the concentrate.
Yeah.
Right. You just kind of paint it on the little stump.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Right. So if you're gonna, do the foliar application, you definitely got to be careful. Got to watch out for drift.
Yeah,
okay?
definitely.
If you're gonna do that, or if you're gonna do the basil technique, as Joellen mentioned, just make sure you read and follow the label. I would cut it. I would probably use the pure concentrate with a brush or something.
Yeah.
Brush that stem or stump, and probably I'll actually, make some little wounds. In that wood, if I could, just to allow the concentrate to really get down into that vascular system, of that privet, right? Let that turgor pressure pull it on down through the root systems. And that could work for you, Mr. Terry, but read and follow the label.
Yeah, just be very careful. Don't spray above your head.
Yeah, don't spray above your head. Be careful. But 53.9%, that's fine. 3 to 5% solution, should get it, for you. But just be careful, all right? Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.